Hey guys, I want to show you this Kärcher premium telescopic washer. This is telescopic washer. This is with the power cable, so you plug this to the power and see what it looks like. So you can go here, go in, then use various size. This goes in here. Okay. This goes in here. So you can put various size this Karcher. Easy to carry. You see. Karcher. This gadget. I like this stuff. I use it at home. You see. Easy to carry. And turn it the power on and off this button here. This is Kärcher telescopic washer. It deserves your attention. I use it at home all the time. Thank you.